Recruiters usually tend to scan resumes within 20 seconds as they look for pertinent information, often according to a checklist. We will now discuss the most commonly used terms in these checklists.
The most frequently used point is location. Recruiters look to see if you're willing to relocate if necessary or if you are living in the desired location. Next on the list is the relevance to the industry. This is best explained through a simple example. If you are an engineer and you apply for a banking job, your resume will probably be rejected on the grounds that you are not applying for a suitable position in the suitable industry. Following this is the idea of function. Here, recruiters look into your background to identify if your work experience matches the job description. If not, your resume may be rejected. The next checkpoint is the level or position. In this case, a recruiter is looking for an applicant who held a similar level or similar position in their previous job. On a side note, recruiters may conduct a small investigation into your previous employment. In such a case, it is advisable that you do not have a high turnover in your previous employment, as that also may lead to a dismissal. In this context, a turnover is a term that describes how much you have cost your employer against how much you have added to the worth of your employer.
Another checkpoint is recent experience that recruiters look into while shortlisting resumes. Here, the recruiters opt for applicants who have had more recent work experience in the specified job. For example, a candidate who worked in sales 3 years ago will be considered over a candidate who worked in sales 10 years ago. While this seems straightforward, it must also be mentioned that applicants who do not have the desired degree of education or have not acquired a degree will have their resumes rejected. Make sure that your resume that you submit is not a functional resume. A functional resume will highlight your previous work experiences. This format may indicate that you have something to hide and often leads to an instant rejection. As mentioned earlier, your resume will have to be clear of any errors in the form of typos, poor formatting, grammatical errors, bragging, or irrelevant information. A poorly written resume in this regard reflects badly on the applicant and is often rejected.